Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, something not so fortunate happened. I accidentally hit the magazine or clip release, whichever one you guys call it, clip or magazine. Apparently that's a big debate online now. But anyways, I hit the clip release button and the magazine just slid out the bottom and hit the floor. And as you can see, the part that broke is that top piece that actually holds the balls in. And yeah, that's gonna be a problem for all of these clips if you ever accidentally drop them onto a hard surface. So I recommend Byrna recreating these parts, in metal, where we can buy them and fix our clips or magazines again. Or just recreate them entirely in metal, I don't know. But I'm gonna have to order another one now. And that's about it. There's nothing else I can do about that. Can't fix it. But luckily, at least they send you 2 of them when you do purchase the gun. So whatever, I guess it'll have to do for now. I'm gonna order the newer clip that holds 7 rounds. I'll probably do a review on that. But yeah, guys, if your clip or magazine also broke, or if anything else broke on your Byrna, please comment it below. Let us know so we can look out for it, etc. And yeah, that's about it for now. Smash the like, drop a comment, subscribe, and until next time.